Euphoria around the psychedelic therapy industry is fading fast in light of some recent setbacks. A top journal retracting 3 papers on MDMA-assisted therapy over the weekend, citing concerns over unethical conduct in how the data was collected. Many of the paper authors were affiliated with Lykos Therapeutics, the same company whose application for MDMA therapy was rejected by the FDA late Friday amid concerns of unreported adverse events and research bias. Meghana Keshavan is a biotech reporter with Stat News. She was the first to report on the journal retractions. Meghana, great to have you with us. Is this a case of Lykos having issues, or are there real concerns about MDMA therapy?
Actually, it seems like it's a pretty company-focused issue.
Mm-hmm.
Even during a FDA advisory committee meeting back in June, the advisors voted overwhelmingly against approving the treatment, but they thought that the treatment itself had promise. It was just the way that Lykos had handled it that was problematic in terms of data integrity.
Is it possible that Lykos could redesign the trial and conduct it over again, phase 2, or go into phase 3 and, give it another whirl? Do they not have the money to do that?
So that's a big question. They raised $100 million not too long ago, but they, I am told, are burning through it fairly quickly. They have been asked by the FDA to submit a brand new phase 3 trial, and that takes years and it takes a lot of money. So it sort of depends on how they want to play this, basically. I know that they're going to be asking regulators about whether they can resubmit the data. They want another shot, basically, before they start a phase 3.
Mm-hmm. I know that when marijuana was hot and the possibilities for marijuana, that a lot of people were also interested in MDMA. And I'm curious what sort of money flow, capital interest there is in this area specifically, and what other publicly traded companies there might be, albeit they're probably small.
Yeah, so I don't actually associate the marijuana companies with MDMA. Psychedelics are a pretty different space, actually, but there are a few publicly traded small companies. One's called Compass Pathways, another is Atai, and they are pushing through their own phase 2, phase 3 trials to develop psychedelics. So it's not just Lykos.
Mm-hmm. But right now everything is in phase 2, so we're pretty far off in terms of getting something to market.
Sorry, go ahead.
So how far are we from getting anything potentially on the market?
Well, MDMA with Lykos was supposed to be the first true psychedelic, and so now we don't exactly know. It's all been set back a little bit. But Compass Pathways has a phase 3 study underway for treatment-resistant depression, and that's in phase 3, and it's a similar approach. They're going to have therapy involved in that as well.
Any inkling that big pharma companies would scoop any of these little guys up who are running out of cash if this space has so much promise?
I know they're watching very carefully. A really good indicator of that is esketamine. Ketamine has been an anesthetic that's been approved since 1970, and it's shown lots of promise with depression. So a few years ago, Johnson & Johnson had a drug called Spravato approved, and that's esketamine, which is related. And that is basically psychedelic too. It's a dissociative, and it is headed to $1 billion in sales this year. So it kind of shows that there's, potential in this space to make a lot of money. But we'll have to see whether other companies can follow suit. But big pharma is definitely watching.